One of the things that Travis mentioned, in 2018, we were growing at a pretty good rate with our internal construction crews, and we got to a point where we needed something to bind us together from a safety standpoint. So the use of the safety report platform did that for us. And Travis mentioned one of the biggest applications we use. We created a pre and post inspection report. So the whole purpose of that was the thought of we begin the day with safety, we end the day with safety. So our pre-inspection checklist, each one of our teams does every day, and we encourage the foreman once he becomes, spun up in it to share it with the other team. And that is a checklist that we worked on, created it, put it into this platform that they use to evaluate their site before they start work every day. And part of that platform was, make sure we got the right depth, depth indicated, or we've got trench, protection, things like that. But the bigger part of it was creating communication within that team, so that report then identifies all of our hazards. So we think of that as our hazard awareness for the day, looking at that, evaluating our sites, knowing what those hazards are. And that checklist, they go down it, and then they have a way of documenting and going through. And sometimes the simplest questions are the ones we forget. So you've got those every day in front of you. And then we turn around at the end of the day, and with our post-inspection report, is making sure that we have shut that site down and we've verified it. And these all go to our safety coordinators. So at the end of the day, we've left that site. We're on a government installation, so we have soldiers that are going to be around there, families are going to be around there, any civilians or workers, government workers, anybody could be around our site. We've left it in a way that we know, that Travis knows without even being there, that I know without even being there, that site is safe. And we haven't left an unsafe situation for anybody to encounter at the end of the day.